Is that my brake light flashing?
Yeah, your brake light's flashing. Why?
I was just wondering.
Yeah, it works.
Okay, no, I'm looking at another set of red and blues coming up behind us.
Oh, is there? Oh, I see them.
Yeah, if we have a chance, we need to get the hell out of here.
Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and we're so glad to have you join us. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you. We're glad to have you as part of the nation. We always enjoy meeting members of the Road Rush Nation on the highways. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome, and we hope you join the nation. To be a member of our amazing nation, all you need to do is give us a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Now, we're just coming off a 30-day road trip, and we had the opportunity to visit family in Southern California, in the LA area. I grew up in Torrance, right off of that famous highway, Pacific Coast Highway. We had decided to ride PCH back to where we were staying in Anaheim. This route of PCH is nothing like the glamorous pictures you see. You're riding through cities, and you just never know what might happen. Now, we're taking this ride on a Saturday evening in July. So you know there's going to be something that's going to be happening. Like fireworks you got to see. And of course, there's the guy who stands in the middle of the road. What the heck? Okay, no big deal. But then we found ourselves in the middle of some heavy police activity from that side street where the fireworks came. There were police cars coming from all different directions. We got caught at a traffic light just a block away and had to sit there in the middle of it, not knowing what was happening. We just wanted to get through the traffic light that we were stuck at. We had to sit there through a few cycles. So take a look at all the police cars that come by.
Here he comes. Ain't us. Okay, well, maybe we'll get a chance to get out of here before things go crazier. Welcome to Long Beach, California.
Then we thought we could get through there and it was our chance. Nope. Then the metro train comes by and holds us hostage there. I will tell you, we couldn't get out of there fast enough. Oh, riding is always an adventure and you just never know what's gonna happen. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.